were the juiciest turkey burgers I've ever made, so I had to share it with you guys. I did a half cup of white chopped onions. I did a full jalapeno. This was 1.5 pounds of ground turkey. I added 1 egg, and then I added the onion and jalapeno to it, some seasoning, just some garlic, onion, red pepper, black pepper, and I also think I added some smoked paprika. Then I shredded up this truly white cheddar creamy cheese and added it to it, made my little patties, and it made about 6 of them. So then I got my pan really, really hot, okay, and then added some avocado oil because it's a high heat, and then I had my husband put it in because I don't like to get splattered by oil, and he's amazing. All right, and then we're going to cook these until they're internally done by 165. Get you a little meat thermometer, okay? Then take the burgers out, add some portobello mushrooms to the pan. I added some Worcestershire sauce, some minced garlic, and sauteed those down. And then I added some cream cheese for this like creamy mushroom sauce. We're going to top the burgers with it. It was so good. Like, I tried to make some artichoke. They didn't work, but they were so good.